Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Nakamichi Dragon 12-inch modular subwoofer expansion, a unique product that allows users to expand their home's surround sound system with an additional subwoofer, taking their audio experience to the next level. This product is specifically designed for use with the Dragon Home surround sound system, making it a great option for those already invested in the Nakamichi ecosystem. Let me break down the specs. The Nakamichi Dragon 12-inch modular subwoofer expansion features a 12-inch driver with a carbon passive radiator, allowing it to produce deep bass notes as low as 19 Hz. The subwoofer has a frequency response of 19 Hz to 120 Hz, with a sensitivity of 85 dB and an impedance of 4 ohms. It can handle up to 300 watts of continuous power and 600 watts of peak power, making it a powerful addition to any home theater system. The subwoofer itself weighs 25 pounds and measures 14 inches in height, 13 inches in width, and 15 inches in depth. The system is expandable up to 4 subs, allowing users to customize their setup to fit their specific needs. The subwoofer also features a sleek and modern design, with a black finish that will blend in with most home decor. In terms of special features, the subwoofer has a built-in amplifier and a range of adjustment options, including volume, phase, and crossover frequency. In real-world use, the Nakamichi Dragon 12-inch modular subwoofer expansion performs exceptionally well, providing deep and rich bass notes that enhance the overall audio experience. The subwoofer is easy to set up and integrate with the existing Dragon Home surround sound system, and it provides a noticeable improvement in sound quality. The build quality of the subwoofer is also impressive, with a sturdy and solid construction that feels premium in the hand. The audio quality is superb, with clear and detailed sound that is free from distortion. The subwoofer is also relatively compact, making it easy to place in a variety of locations. Real-world reviews praise the Nakamichi Dragon 12-inch modular subwoofer expansion for its ability to produce deep and powerful bass notes, with many users commenting on the significant improvement it makes to their home theater system. Users also love the ease of setup and integration with the existing system, as well as the sleek and modern design. Additionally, users appreciate the expandability of the system, allowing them to customize their setup to fit their specific needs. However, some users have reported that the subwoofer can be a bit pricey and that the instructions for setup and integration could be more detailed.